The iPhone 16e, anticipated to launch in March or April 2025, is expected to be Apple's latest budget-friendly offering, succeeding the iPhone SE series. This model is rumored to adopt the design of the iPhone 14, featuring a sleek 6.1-inch OLED display with a notch, replacing the traditional home button and Touch ID with a more advanced Face ID system for authentication. By modernizing its entry-level line, Apple aims to align the iPhone 16e more closely with its flagship devices while maintaining an accessible price point. Under the hood, the iPhone 16e is likely to be powered by the A18 chip, ensuring strong performance, efficiency, and compatibility with the latest features of iOS. Paired with 8 GB of RAM, the device is expected to support cutting-edge AI and machine learning capabilities for enhanced user experiences. The camera setup will include a single 48-megapixel rear sensor, offering significant improvements in photo and video quality compared to its predecessor. Other notable features include a USB-C port for charging and data transfer, an aluminum frame for a lightweight yet durable build, and 2 elegant color options, black and white. With these updates, the iPhone 16e seeks to deliver a premium feel while appealing to cost-conscious consumers who want modern features and design without paying flagship prices. This release underscores Apple's commitment to expanding its reach and maintaining its competitive edge in the mid-range smartphone market.